We are here at Tailgates in Welland. What's their pizza gonna score out of 10? Let's find out. Large cheese pepperoni pizza, $19.20. Let's take a look. Okay. They got that cup and char. These guys know. Look at that big slice. Distribution looks nice. It looks a little bit thicker than last time I had it. Oh, 2 for 1 slice. Oh, just need a little extra. Okay, let's take a look underneath. Can you see? It's got some color. It's got a little flop. It's delicious. This is a delicious pizza. Tailgates has been working on tweaking their pizza for a while. One of the tweaks that I've recommended is to thin it up, and this is not quite as thin as I was thinking, but the crust is fantastic. Yeah, these ingredients make a great pie. Distribution is great. Yeah. Nice, saucy. The sauce is delicious. I know personally that they use all those pizza sauce here, and it's a great one. The sauce is not overpowering. It's a nice flavor. Delicious. See, the crust is just, you can tell they're making it here. It's nice. It's got a little bit of crisp to it. It tastes fresh. I don't know how better else to say it. The cheese is great. This is a good one. It is cup and char pepperoni, which has good flavor, but it's not the spicy kind that I like. I want to swear, but I'll keep it PG. This is good freaking pizza. And look at the color's nice. If this had spicy cup and char like I like, I think this would reach the 9s. Without it, $8.9. This pizza is delicious. I can't wait to have some more pizza here, and that's our review.